A for automation. Outsourcing life. Some of the most critical skills necessary for becoming a member of the new rich are learning how to communicate and to manage remotely. An easy way to begin doing so is to hire a virtual assistant, VA, someone in a low-cost geographic location who can save you time doing menial tasks. Never automate something that can be eliminated, and never delegate something that can be automated or streamlined. Refine rules and processes before adding people. Using people as a solution to a poor process multiplies problems. Only delegate time-consuming and well-defined tasks. Income Autopilot 1. After making some room in your schedule, try to find a way of generating cash without consuming time. It's easier to fill demand than to create it. Find a market, define your customers, then find or develop a product for them. 2. Experience and intuition are both poor predictors of the success of a product. The only way to test if anyone wants your product is to ask people to buy. To get an accurate indicator of commercial viability, don't ask people if they would buy. Ask them to buy. Microtesting involves using inexpensive advertisements to test consumer response to a product before manufacturing. 3. Once you have a product that sells, it's time to design a self-correcting business architecture that runs itself. In Phase 1, which is between 0 to 50 units of product sold, do it all yourself. Take customer calls to determine common questions that you will answer later in an online FAQ. Stepping up to Phase 2, over 10 units sold per week, pick an affordability reachable niche market. In Phase 3, over 20 units sold per week, find end-to-end fulfillment houses that handle it all. From order status to returns and refunds. Assess the value of each customer. Identify and cut off those customers who spend the least and yet ask for the most, as they cost far more time than they are worth. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and also turn on the notification to be updated with our future uploads.